Hey guys, it's Gemma McAllister, and I just wanted to show you a quick tutorial about introducing the Go 400, a little bit about it, and the new 1000 that we just launched this weekend. Okay, now this is what the 400 Go looks like, and it comes with a FCC ID on the back of it. Okay, so we're the only company that has an FCC ID on this, which is so cool because no one else has that, and they can't say they have it because they don't. So what you're going to get is this little Go here with a purple band. Okay, it's going to come in a package like this. Super cool. Purple, matches. And you're going to open it up, and it's going to have some instructions on how to turn it on. Okay, it's going to have this little thick paper here. Okay, and you're basically going to have a little switch, and it's going to have a green light and a red light. So I'm going to show you here. You're going to take this little plastic silicone band off. You can buy these green ones for $1 on the website because our colors are purple and green. So the little on-off switch is right on the side. Okay, you don't have to have that on there. So if you decide to hide this somewhere, you don't have to have this little keychain on, but it does have the little keychain. Okay, so I do recommend punching a little hole in the side because it could possibly turn off that little switch. Okay, so there is a battery that you can order off of Amazon or eBay even. It's a 3-volt battery. All you have to do is take a little coin. Okay, I'm going to cover my code here, but there is if you can see it, there is a line. I don't know if you can, but there's a line here, and then there's a dot right there. You can see very lightly. Right there, dot line. That means it's locked, and that means open. If this little line here is open, so you're gonna turn your Go back, okay, and you can just pop the back of it off. It's super easy, okay. Then the battery, okay, do one at a time so you don't get them mixed up. If you have multiples, you do not want to get them mixed up, because if the backs come off and they're loose, okay, your codes don't have the same codes on the other sides, okay? So just be really careful. Do these one at a time if you have to change the batteries out. So all you've got to do is pop this battery out. Mine's not coming out as easy as I wanted it to. So it's just this little 3-volt battery, and mine says CR2477T Lydia, a 3-volt lithium battery. So all you do is put that back in there like that. Okay, you're going to see that light come on. You just put this back on there like that, okay? And then you would lock it like that, okay? And then watch, I'm going to turn it on. Press that button down like this. Just hold it. There. I just turned it on. See the green? Okay. And it's going to go away. It just takes a couple of seconds. Okay. And then watch, I'm going to turn it off if you want to turn it off. Okay. So you just hold it down. So there's the red. Okay. That means it's off. Okay. So if you want to use your Go. Put your bands back on. So you can put it on a keychain or whatever you need to. If you order 100 of them, you can get them white labeled, which means that they do not say Acervia on them. And let's press it again. Through. Okay, there you go. Turned it on. Okay. So there's your instructions on how to turn it off and on. And then let's go into the back office and activate them. So this is going to be so cool, but I'm going to make another tutorial on how to do that so my Zoom doesn't crash. So we will see you on the next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you found this informative, please share it, because I know that you probably have people that need to see this that may not know that the button's even there. So if you need to get a hold of me, find me on Facebook. My name is Gemma Collins McAllister on Facebook. You can always message me. I am more than happy to help. And I'll talk to you guys soon. All right. Thanks so much.